Hi. So we have created a voice bot which is used for booking flight and booking hotel. So let's see how it works. Book a flight.
What's your destination city?
Chicago.
The nearest airport is located where?
Miami.
On what date should I book your flight ticket?
21st January.
Would you want a round trip?
Yes.
When would you want to return?
25th January.
Return date must be 1 day ahead from leaving date.
25th January.
Hi. I'm back, like I never left. Your flight to Chicago is with Spirit Airlines. You are scheduled to leave on January 21st, 2022 by 2015. You are scheduled to return with Spirit Airlines on January 25th, 2022 by 6:15 and it costs $135.18. Did you get your preferences right?
Yes.
Click the button to book flight ticket. Thank you.
So this is the voice bot, and we can also try from the chat like book a hotel. Okay.